Hi there, it's Lukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing a Redmi Note 9T clear view flip case from Capa, which I got from AliExpress. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see some more videos from us, including the upcoming unboxing of the new camera I filmed parts of this video with, the amazing Sony a7S Mark III. I've really been enjoying the Redmi Note 9T 5G, which we received for review from XIAOMI UK, and I already tested one case. Unfortunately, it was rather heavy and didn't let me unlock with the fingerprint reader, so I decided to get a new one and compare them. This case came in a white box with a red circle and some Chinese characters. My Chinese skills unfortunately end on ni hao and xie xie, but luckily the Redmi Note 9T can translate it for me using the Google Lens camera built in. Apparently it says love life, love sharing, but I can't verify if it's correct. Let's hope it is though. There's nothing interesting on the back, so let's see what's inside. We get the case with some styrofoam to keep the case sturdy. We'll look at the case in more detail in a moment though. Interestingly, we also get a screen protector, which I personally won't be using, but someone might, so it's good to see. Let's try it on then, shall we? The front is covered by a sticker, so let's get rid of it first. The case feels much lighter than the first one. Actually, it's just 58 grams, compared to 84 for the other one, so it makes a significant difference for the feel of the phone, so that's already a win. It also opens and closes quite easily, and more importantly, the fingerprint scanner works great, so it's a second point for Capa. No problems with the other buttons either, like volume up and down. As a bonus, we got 2 holes for a lanyard, in case you want to use it. There's also good access to all the ports on both the top and bottom of the case, including USB-C, the headphone jack, microphones and speakers. Well, one of the speakers, since the second one is on the front and it's covered by the case, but that shouldn't matter. The cutout from the camera is good as well and provides enough clearance to protect the camera when putting it on the table. The clear view case shows what's on the screen below, covering around 2/3 of the width of the screen. It's also quite dimmed, which is not ideal. In order to see the entire clock on the lock screen and the home screen, especially if you use military time like I do, make sure to go to Settings, search for Lock, and scroll to Lock Screen Format, where you can center the clock. That definitely fixed it for me. The case also doesn't have any smart capabilities, it's just semi-transparent, so don't expect scrolling or any extra features there. Unfortunately, it didn't take me long to find the biggest problem with this flip case. When I tried to stand it up for watching videos, it decided to slip and go flat. It only worked on the third attempt, and the reason for that is that it only works on the non-clear surface, but slips on the clear part. Because of that, I'll have to be much more careful when standing it down, especially when watching something in bed, since only 1/3 of the width is non-slippery. As an example, see how I usually keep the Pixel 5 case when folded. I can't really do it with this case. Will I be getting a new case because of that? Probably not, but it's a bit of an inconvenience. This is unlike what the AliExpress photos suggest, suggesting that it can also stand on the clear surface. I should have known that this is a fake photo though. Just look at how it shows the wooden table perfectly clearly through the case. Oh well, never trust the marketing materials. However, when you put it down correctly, it works just fine, so I'll be able to continue watching some YouTube while cooking or running around the house. What's good is that the delivery from China came to Scotland in just around 8 days, rather than the expected 20 to 40. However, it was more on the expensive side, costing me, with delivery and taxes, around £17. That's similar to cases on Amazon, but much more expensive than basic £3 cases you can get. But I really hope it gets cheaper soon, plus you get the screen protector kit included. What are my overall thoughts then? The fact that it's quite light and with working fingerprint scanner are great pluses. I'll just have to get used to the issue of slippery part when watching videos. Otherwise, I'm really happy with it. If you're interested in getting this case, check the link in the description below. Clicking it will help our channel. You can also help us by subscribing to us and clicking on the notification bell below. Also, let us know what other coverage of the Redmi Note 9T you'd like to see, and we'll look into it. But for now, thanks for watching.